G'day and welcome back to the Design, Creativity and Technology channel. My name's Aaron and this is my wife Diane.
Hey.
So my wife's never made an appearance on camera before, so this is her first time on my YouTube channel and it's an important occasion, so that's why I thought we'd do it together. If you've been following me for a while now, you may have noticed that I started this channel roughly 10-11 years ago, and I never intended it to be a sort of a YouTube platform as such. It was just a place where I could go on and share my student projects or things I was working on at high school with my high school students. And then it grew into something a little bit bigger, you know, and if you've been following me over these years, you'll notice that I'm into all different types of things. I've got fingers in many pies. I love, you know, model aircraft, you know, old steam engines, tractors, engineering, of course, okay, STEM projects. And no doubt most of you follow me for CAD/CAM and CNC machining, okay, which this channel has predominantly come. Some of you may have wondered why I started a second channel. So I started a second channel. I always had the second channel, but I never did anything with it. And until about a year ago, and I turned it into another channel called Aaron Engineering. And that channel's only for engineering projects, so build projects, but predominantly manual machining. This one here, as you know, is all about CNC machining. So today I've brought you here because we're going to do a 15,000 subscriber giveaway. We've got some really awesome prizes that were kindly donated by Arthur from Live Tools. Thanks, Arthur. Yeah, thanks, Arthur. So if you haven't heard of Arthur, Arthur runs a company up there. He's a young guy. He's kicking goals. He's a big firm believer in social media and getting a social media presence out there as well, which is good, which is a paradigm shift away from the normal business model of advertising, you know, in the old phone book or something like that. So good on you, Arthur. He's a great guy, and I'm very fortunate that he helps to sponsor this platform here today. All right, so Diane, if you'd like to say, I'll get my wife to read out some of the prizes. So the first prize, love, what's it going to be?
It's a 5-litre bottle of Hengster's 5080 coolant.
Yep.
A 5-litre bottle of Hengster's clear whey oil. 1 squeeze bottle of Hengster's tapping fluid. A Live Tools refractometer.
Yep, refractometer. Okay.
Refractometer?
Yep.
Sorry?
Not a word you hear often, so any wonder I'd stuttered that as well.
A Live Tools Deburring tool with replaceable inserts.
Yep, so if you guys do a bit of machining or deburring, great little tool. I got one myself that I deburr, you know, internal balls with and that sort of thing when I'm manually machining.
A Live Tools baseball cap.
Yep, should have been.
That's awesome.
Yep, should have been a Cobra hat, but anyway, look, baseball cap's fine, so good on you, Arthur. And
a Live Tools machine magnet with a whiteboard marker.
I often use mine to keep track of what tool heights I'm running and that sort of thing, especially if I've got 2 tools in the tool changer here. If I've got 2 tool 10s, I can remember which one's the height, so I can change it in the controller real quickly.
And I could put notes on it too for him if I need him to remember something.
We won't discuss that. Alrighty, so look, there's some really awesome prizes, guys. So a little bit of a disclaimer here. Unfortunately, we can't ship it internationally. So the prize is only going out to Australian residents only. It will be shipped from New South Wales, from Arthur's depot, and I'll pick up the shipping. Arthur's kindly donated the prizes, so once again, that's awesome, thank you. So I really apologise, we can't send it overseas, guys. The cost would be just incredible, okay? So I hope you appreciate that. Now, we'll probably come back in 1 week's time and we'll draw the prizes, and I think to make it fair, I think what I'd want you to do to enter, if you don't mind, is to put a comment down below. All right, so in the comments, there's going to be 3 questions. So you ready? So question 1, all right, what is the name of the coolant that I use in my CNC machine? It's pretty easy. Number 2, okay, what is the whey oil that I use in my machine? Okay, and number 3, what was the name of the company that kindly donated these tools here, or this free swag to us today? All right, so all right, that's pretty easy. That's all you have to do. Answer 1, 2 and 3. Yep. And tell us if you answer those questions. My wife and I will come back next week, roughly 1 week's time, and we'll do the draw. And hopefully, good luck to those Australian people.
Good luck.
All right, guys, have a lovely day. Thank you for joining in. We'll see you back in roughly a week's time.
Bye.
All right, ta-da, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.